Hey everybody, this is Derek from IncomeSmasher. Today we're going to go over how to make money online from home, right? So a lot of people with the pandemic and everything going on, they're trying to find ways to make extra cash. And to do that, really, how can they work from home, or what are the things they can do to work from home? So today we're going to go over that. If you stayed to the end, I'm going to go over the best ways or the best things you can do to work from home. And so let's just get going here. I'm going to share my screen. So the first way is Printful, right? Start an online store without inventory or doing anything. So what you do is, I've got a couple different ones here. Printful, you can set up t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies with your own design. See, as it says, your own design here. So you put your own design on, and then Printful or some of these other places, Printify, Spreadshirt, these different websites, you can create your own merchandise, put your, whether it's a t-shirt or a hoodie or whatever it is, put your design on it, and then sell those. And you can sell them on your website, sell them on your YouTube channel, or you can even sell them direct from here, because people will come to these sites and they'll look for different t-shirts and they'll buy yours, and you make money. So what you do is just go out to any of these. I will have all of these websites in the description. Just go ahead and hit the link. You can go check them out. But those are the three. There's several others, but check those out if you want to start your own e-commerce store almost, but you don't have to do the inventory. You don't have to ship it. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is create. So if you're a good creator, start it up today. Next one, text broker. All right, so if you look here, you can go out. If you're a good writer, you can go do writings for people, blog posts, write, all kinds of different things, whatever people need you to write an ebook for them. You can write a pitch, to a proposals, whatever it is, you can write. Text broker, I think mostly posts, where you write posts for other bloggers. And you can either make 0.7 cents a word to 5 cents a word, right? And so if you look at that, that's anywhere from $7 to $50 each time, like if you write a 1,000-word article. So another good way to make money, if you're a good writer, just check out Text Broker, come over here and say, I want to write, and then sign up. Next one is Coupon Chief, right? Sharing pays with pays to share, right? Join their free Pays to Share program and make money by sharing coupons with other Coupon Chief users. So basically, you upload working online and printable coupons, and then you'll get a 2% of sales from your coupons to your account, and then you bring in monthly checks with those coupons, right? So this is something you actively have to do. They've paid out $3,100,000. You're not going to get rich off this, but you can make some extra cash. Okay, the next one is Nevo.ai. So basically, it's artificial intelligence. They need to train artificial intelligence on, how to look for things. So they need humans to match these things up. So as you can see here, you'll highlight a cookie, and then boom, you'll put, hey, this is a cookie. And that helps AI get smarter and easier. So you can do tag images or annotate text, right? So those are two ways you can do that. Just go to nevo.ai and sign up if you wanted to start doing that. Now, the next one we're going to look at is Amazon, right? So there's a couple different ways to make money with Amazon. You can either do affiliate sales or merch by Amazon. So those are the two different ways. We're going to kind of go over both of them with you and see if that's something that you might be interested in. So looking here on merch by Amazon, they're kind of like Printful, where you develop your own t-shirt, hoodies, your own designs, and then as you can see here, you sell them on Amazon. So the good thing about Amazon is they get so much traffic that if you have a really good design or one that people love and goes crazy, and you sell it for $25 and it's your design, then your royalty would be $9.77. So for every $25.99 shirt you sell, you'll make $9.77. So this is a great way if if you really hit some good shirts or hoodies and you have a really good design and it gets real popular, you can make some pretty good money with this. The other thing with Amazon is you can do Amazon affiliate, right? So the next thing we're going to talk about is affiliate programs. Affiliate programs is you recommend a product or service, and then that company pays you a small commission if somebody buys it, right? So this is merchandise by Amazon, but there's also an Amazon affiliate program. And then there's other affiliate programs such as Commission Junction, CJ.com. They pay out. They have tons and tons of businesses that will pay you out if you refer customers and they buy, you earn a percentage. Purefly is another one. You can check these out. All of these will be in the description. So as you can see, you can make money with Purefly. It's per action-based affiliate ad network. And then another big one is ShareASale. I use ShareASale and Commission Junction and Purefly all the time, and Amazon. So those are the ones that I would be looking at as far as doing an affiliate program. You can do an affiliate on YouTube videos, so you can put in a description like I do, or you can do it on your website if you have a blog or a website, and you can add affiliate links. People click on those links, they go buy, you make money. Another one is you can do freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. So become a freelancer with Rev, earn money transcribing and captioning from home. So hopefully you know what transcribing and captioning is. But basically what it is if I do a video, like I'm doing a video now, and I can have somebody transcribe my video, the words, into written text, and then I can put the written text out there with my video. Sometimes people like to read through things instead of watching a video. I do. If I'm trying to find information fast, video, watching a video for 15 minutes doesn't do it for me. I like to skim through, what the written text is and see exactly it is what I need and then go fix it or whatever I need to get done. Another one is GMR, another transcription business. Now, like I said, you're not going to earn tons of money. This transcription business says you'll earn between $1,000 and $3,000 a month if you really, work at it. So, that's up to you if this is something that you're interested in. But the transcription business is big out there because a lot of people are doing video and they want to take that video and turn it into text, or a lot of times podcasting, when people talk, they want to turn that into text and they can turn that into a blog post on their website and drive more traffic that way. So it's a big deal. And, it's one of those things where check it out and just see if it's something you want to do. Now, another one that's huge, and there's some people that make big money doing this. Now, I don't think it's easy, and it takes a while to get started and really build up your channel, and it depends on the niche you go into, but podcasting can be big. I mean, some of the top podcasters make millions of dollars. Joe Rogan, prime example, right? He does podcasting, and he makes tons of money, right? Tons. So podcasting can be a really big thing. Another one is, you got the Google Play and apps. So there's a bunch of apps where you can make some extra cash. Receipt Hog. Turn all your receipts into cash. This is pretty cool, right? So as you go shopping, grocery, or whatever kind of shopping you do, but mainly I think this is for grocery shopping, you go and you take your receipts, and if you scan those in, you can make extra cash for that. So Receipt Hog rewards you for shopping just like you normally do every day, whether it's online or in store. Share your paper or digital receipt with us to earn cash. So it's that simple. Download the app, and look, it looks like even any kind of shopping, no matter if it's grocery shopping or not. The next one we want to go over is Fiverr. Fiverr is a site I recommend all the time because there's just so many things you can do. Digital marketing, writing, translation, video animation, music, audio, programming, and tech. So you go to Fiverr and then you just come up and you find, I think it's at the bottom, where you can come down here. You can become a seller on Fiverr. Right here, you hit that and then you sell your services or whatever it is you're an expert at. If you're an expert at graphic design, then you sell, your design capabilities. Or if you're a good writer, I have a lot of my writers for my blog I use from here, several that I found that are really good. And Fiverr, you can make some extra cash and do really well. So the other one we wanted to talk about is blogging, right? So if you see, I got my IncomeSmasher blog. It talks about how to start a blog, right? And really blogging is a great way to make money. Now it takes some time. It's not like you'll start blogging and then like 2 months from now you're raking in cash. Blogging is one of those 1 to 2 year things where it just takes some time to really build up an audience and start making money through affiliate or ads or whatever you're doing. So I kind of go through here on my article how to pick a niche, choosing a domain, what's the best way to do that, register your domain, what hosting to pick, how to set up WordPress to build your website, and so on and so forth. So we kind of go through in detail how to set up the blog, how to monetize the blog to make money, all these different things. So blogging is a really, really, really great way to make money online. Now, the number one way we feel that this is the best way right now in 2021 to really make money online. And once again, just like blogging, it takes a little bit of time. Like, it's not super quick. If you look at my channel, I just hadn't started it that long ago, and I'm starting to build up traffic and build up views, but it just takes some time, right? It's not anything that's quick. But YouTube is the way to start building up. And really, YouTube's pretty straightforward, right? So if you check it out in the description, I have this YouTube mastery course that I took when I started it. It was really good. Helped me get started, helped me know how to set everything up and do it the correct way. I'll put it in the link if you're interested in taking that course and starting your own YouTube channel. And then basically, if you look, all these different channels these people have, playing violin, doing music, doing funny stuff, like Mr. Beast, who makes millions of dollars. I mean, he just makes so much money. And then, there's different competitions and there's so much on YouTube and so many things you can do. You can make money without even showing your face if you don't want to show your face. You can do, a tech channel or a wealth channel where you here's the 5 most, biggest, largest, most expensive homes in America. And people love those videos, right? And then you just show pictures and you kind of do a voiceover and you're like, hey, here's this house and it's worth, $15.2 million and it has 7 swimming pools and 6 bathrooms and 10 bedrooms, And people love this kind of stuff. That's entertaining, fun, wealth creation. These are the type of videos that do really, really good on YouTube. So YouTube is one of our top picks. Like I said, check out everything in the description. If you can, hit the like button. And thanks for, checking out our channel today.